it costs about 600 Australian dollars for one dialysis session. In Fiji, without providers, we must be thankful that they are between 150 to 250. With the subsidy that government is giving, it's $75. That is the cost to which the real cost is probably much higher than that. The Ministry of Health and Medical Services have been committed to getting patients off dialysis by partially funding their kidney transplant overseas. We partially fund by supporting them in terms of accommodation and transport and so forth. In the coming years, we'll place a greater emphasis on transplants. We also, as you know, we look towards the new partnerships that are being formed with the Ministry of Health, and also, for example, like the PPP that has already been signed. Honourable Speaker, sadly, one of the things that we have to remember is that we have to work on the prevention of kidney failure. And non-communicable disease such as diabetes and hypertension leads to the need to dialysis. I thank you, Honourable Speaker, for this opportunity, and also I thank the Honourable Member for that question.